There are 6 types of Creative Commons licenses. These are all to protect one from the extreme left where you have the complete control over the copyright and the extreme right where everything is public. So, these licenses help you to make you to position yourself in between the two extreme positions. It will be neither completely copyright nor completely a public document. So, the 6 types of documents, 6 types of licenses can be discussed in this presentation. Number 1, attribution. The attribution license talks about just attribute the owner of the license. You can copy it, remix it, tweak it, or you can even commercially sell it, and all those things can be done, but that can be only by attributing. This is the most liberal form of licensing available in the Creative Commons one. And if you want to reach the maximum dissemination, if you want to reach the maximum number of public, I think this is the only license available. This is the best suited license available in the 6 licenses. The second one is share alike license, attribution and share alike. Apart from the attribution where you have to attribute everything and you can tweak, you can copy, you can remix and you can commercially use it. So, share alike is you can do everything, but new creations under the identical terms. With the same terms that you have, you can do that. And the share alike license is often compared with the copy left group. Earlier we used to call it copy left group, where free and open source software are being used and disseminated, and all new works based on yours will carry the same license. Even it is being taken forward by other groups, then they have to take the same kind of license, that is called share alike license, attribution and share alike. And the third move is non-derivative license. Actually you have to attribute and non-derivative. It allows you to redistribute commercial and non-commercial. You can decide whether to go for commercially or to non-commercial thing, as long it is passed along unchanged with the credit to you, that you have to have the same kind of attribution, and without changing anything you can use this. The fourth one is non-commercial license, where you have to attribute and non-commercial. It lets others to remix, tweak and build upon your work non-commercially. Only thing is that you should not make use of it for commercial purposes. As long as it is for public purposes, this particular license can be used by this one. Although their new works must be acknowledged by you, they do not have to license their derivatives work on the same terms. You need not, the derivatives, you need not bother about that. Such kind of licenses called non-derivative licenses. The next item is attribution, non-commercial, share alike license. There are 3 major components are coming. You can actually attribute by just acknowledging that where you are getting from, and you cannot sell it. So, it is a non-commercial agreement, and you can use it for non-derivative license. The next item is the attribution, non-commercial, non-derivative license. I think this is the most restrictive, as we saw in the first one, where the access has been just by giving attribution you can do whatever you like, whereas here even by attribution you cannot do anything. You have to non-commercial, non-derivative, however it is attributable, you have to wait and you cannot use it for any kind of commercial thing. This is only to just to take forward and acknowledge and distribute it. You can't remix it, you can't do it whatever way you like. So, this is non-commercial and non-derivative one, where this is one of the toughest one. Apart from the 6 licenses, actually the Creative Commons allows you to go for public domain. They have 2 public domain platforms called Public Domain 0, that where in addition to the 6 licenses, Creative Commons has 2 public domain rules, one for creators and the other for those who manage collection of existing works, authors whose terms of copyright have expired. And CC0 enables authors and copyright owners to dedicate their works to the worldwide public domain and absolutely no rights reserved, that is called public domain, that is the first item. The second public domain tool is public domain with the Creative Commons license. Actually this Creative Commons public domain mark facilitates the labeling and discovery of works that are already free of known copyright restrictions. Therefore, this presentation has given you a larger idea about what is Creative Commons. Particularly we discussed about the history of commons, where the public resources and tools have been distributed to the common public with the licensing system, particularly about we saw the three major domains called the state, the market and the commons, and we also saw about the Nobel laureate who talked about who was awarded for the works he conducted throughout the world, where he insisted that the local resources, the local public, particularly the tribal public, have the enormous knowledge to manage the public resources and the natural resources. So, we also saw the 6 major kinds of licenses being created with the help of Creative Commons. I hope the lesson would have given you some understanding about the Creative Commons. Thank you for watching.